jumping on the bed, jumping on a trampoline, running, tumbling, doing things like that, they have the physical strength to do this job because it's not going to be very hard. Not a lot of heavy lifting. And finally, do they have the mental acuity? You know your child. Are they ready for this? Sometimes we baby our children, especially the youngest one, and then we call them a baby and they're 9 or 10 or 11. If a new baby comes in the house, then you realize how big your child really is. You have to see um, the fact that your child is growing and you don't want to stifle them. They need to be able to grow and bloom and not be just kept in a hothouse for the rest of their life. So, the other thing I talked about, Victoria. I was right, Victoria. Yay. Not that I'm gloating, but I just am happy for me that I could remember your name because it's important that people call you by name, huh? Yeah. So that's Victoria, Miss Mendeville. Sorry, the light shining through my hair. It looks scanny.